been so close. What if it blows crap all over you?
I can't see it, no.
Light it. That's lit.
That cow is right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
On the other side of it.
Right there. He's fine.
Long ways away. I'm a little nervous.
Oh my goodness!
I don't know what I got out of it. I just
Kristen, you moved!
I think I was running. I was probably gonna get hit.
No, I think I got the. Oh my god! That was hilarious.
Awesome.
I think I got it, Clint. I don't know.
Check this thing out!
Oh my god!
Nothing left. Ain't nothing.
Where was it sitting?
Right there.
No, but where was it sitting?
It was sitting right there. A big chunk of it flew that.
This is the end of the microwave. This is all that's left.
That's freaking. Top plate.